Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like this video and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers. So let's try to install this Grand Rising app, which is recently trending. A lot of people are trying to install it. So to install it, just go to the App Store, use Touch ID to install. Enter your password. And it doesn't have that many ratings, but 4 out of 7 average rating is pretty cool. And then this is just like one of those meditations and affirmations apps where you just start a day and you don't have like some sticky notes, but you have like some positive affirmations like I'm full of energy, uh, and all of different categories like that. So the idea seems like super simple, but it's quite powerful, and a lot of people actually like and enjoy this app a lot. Then you can just allow notifications, but let's try to just create an account together and to see how it works. Right, and then yeah. And here is the app. Um, you can unlock the premium, upgrade your account to access all features. So full access to our 500 powerful affirmations. Um, and yeah, unfortunately, it's only paid version. So 3 days free trial is only available on the annual plan, which is $27.99. So you can try that, but remember, if you want just to try out, remember to cancel at least 24 hours before the end date. Uh, but yeah, that's, I think the idea is that you just have different categories and then you have all these like affirmations, quotes, positive thoughts, and then that's how it works. You can create your own categories, you can customize with HD images. You can have like all these notifications uh, with this affirmation guide and all of that. So that's the idea. That's basically the app. Um, just a super quick overview. If you like it, if you use it a lot, just please leave some comments, some reviews to help other people. Thanks for watching.